Okay, in this video, we're going to show you something really cool with array formulas. How can I find, for instance, the 5 smallest months of sales if I have monthly sales? So our file is smallest n temp. It could be largest n temp, really. How could I find the 10 largest sales? Okay, with an array formula. I mean, I clearly could use the small function, if you know the small function. Small, a range of cells, comma 2 would give you the second smallest number. And if I were to do large, the array, comma 3, I could get, for instance, the third largest. And those functions are useful in their own right. But the key to doing the problem of finding, let's say, the 6 smallest sales with an array formula is to understand what this crazy thing does. If you use row, left parentheses, indirect, left parentheses, and put in quotes 1:6 with 2 right parens, or you'll get an array that basically is the numbers 1 through 6, no matter where you do that. If you would put 1:10, you get an array that's 1 through 10. So we'll show you how that works. It's a little tricky to explain why that happens because we haven't studied the indirect function yet, but all you have to know is that's what this combination does. So if I would select these 6 cells, and I would do row, indirect, 1:6, I've got to type this right. Now I'll hit Control-Shift-Enter because I want to fill 6 cells. And you'll see the numbers 1 through 6. You see the curly bracket. It's an array formula. Okay, now if I just combine small, an array of monthly sales here, after selecting 6 cells, and then I type comma in the same crazy thing with the row indirect 1:6 with the quotes around it, I will get the 6 smallest numbers in the sales column. So let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll do small. I'll point to my array. Okay, now the crazy thing I want to do here, which I may not remember that well, it's going to be row, and it's going to be indirect, and you need that crazy quotes around it, 1 through 6. You need 2 right parens to close the row and the indirect, and 1 to close the small. Then I missed the third one, I think I did. And there you go. There are the 6 smallest numbers. Now you can see we had done the second smallest number here. And you can see that's what we got. The second smallest number, it matches up right. So I could do the 4 largest numbers, the 8 largest numbers. I mean, the key is just to know that row indirect deal. And again, just to pull out that formula for you. That's how it works. So now in the next video, we are going to learn about how to use arrays to create array formulas to create Boolean arrays that involve 1s or 0s. This lets us mimic SUMIFS, COUNTIFS, if you know those, AVERAGEIFS functions. But it also lets us do things that we're unable to do if we use SUMIFS, AVERAGEIFS, etc. For instance, you might want a standard deviation ifs or a median ifs function. And if you want to do that, you really need to understand array functions. So we'll get to that in the next few videos.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.